Huawei has just launched a low-end device, but with the design of a P60 Pro, it is available in white color, very similar to the finish of Huawei's flagship device, but it is also available in a black with gold combination edition and in another edition in green color. The back design is the most attractive thing about this device, but in reality, it is a low-end device that weighs 207 grams, a 6.75-inch LCD screen with HD plus resolution, very simple. Although it has versions of 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, the main camera will be 50 megapixel and is accompanied by a macro lens with a 2 megapixel sensor, very simple. The front camera is 8 megapixels and has a 6000 mAh battery, which is one of its strongest points, in addition to supporting 22.5 watts charging and has USB-C port. The processor is the Kirin 710A, a fairly simple processor that Huawei has used for many years. The price for the most basic unit of this device is 1,199 yuan. That's approximately $169. Tell me what you think of this strategy by Huawei to put the design of its flagship device on an ultra-affordable device. Personally, I'm not in favor of these decisions because they take away from the uniqueness of its premium device design.